Hello everyone, this is Navid, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial to designing a hospital environment in Gazebo software. So to open Gazebo software, the best way is to open a terminal, and inside the terminal you can write Gazebo and then press enter. So you can see the Gazebo software is open, and now I want to show you the photo of the plan of hospital that I want to simulate it. Yes, and also you can download the hospital's plan from my weblog that I write the name of the weblog for you. As you can see in this photo, I have 5 rooms. I mean, 2 of them bedroom, one is kitchen or something like that, and the 2 others for the doctors. And we have also some decoration that we want to simulate all of them. So whenever I want to start inside the Gazebo, I come to edit and then press building editor. And here, as you can see, I have some tools. I can create wall. I can, by adding this 4 wall, I can have something like a room. And in the bottom window, I can see what I did created. Okay. So if I double click on each of the walls, I can see some details. For example, I can see the size of the wall, I can see the height, the start point, the end point in X and Y axis, and even I can adjust the thickness of the wall, color, and also the texture, everything. So now what I want to do is I want to start from 0, and then my room is almost 4 by 3 meter, so it should, one of the walls should start from 0 to 4 and the other should start from 0 to 0 because it is in y-axis. So as it has 15 centimeter thickness, my wall length will be 450, okay, 4 meter and 50 centimeter. And now, as I told you, I can change the color, and also I can give it a material or texture, wood or tiles or tricks like this. I can add them, but for time being I don't want to choose any of them. So now I want to change the end point of the other wall, this one, yes. So by double click on the wall, I can open this menu to change the value, okay. So it should start from 4 meter and no, it should it should end with 4 meter. Yes, no, it is right because my room was 4 by 3. See, it is almost 4 by 3. I make this room 4 by 3, but the real dimension is not there, so that I cannot be very sure about the sizes, but what I'm seeing is around 4 by 3. So if I change the end point of this one in 4 by 3, so my room will be completed. So now I have to add door. Okay, I can put it somewhere around here. And if I if you can see that this door will open from right, but it is not important in ROS because your robot cannot see this door. I mean, it is not important for that. Just it is a corridor that the robot can pass through this doorway. And also I can add a window, as my room had this window. The window size was around 2 meter. Yes, 2 meter. 2 by 1. The height was 1, and it was in 1 meter from ground. And I can change the position of the window like this. So if you compare with the real, I simulate now what I did was to simulate this room. So yes, to turn it and see better, yes, this is the room that I created. Now I want to create the other rooms. So I pause the video and then you do it, I will do it, and we can see it again. Yes, now I've done all of the rooms and the corridors and the waiting area, and everything is here. So now you can see the walls, the doors and the windows, everything that I have done. You can see it same here, almost same, because as I told you, I don't have the real dimension of the walls, the places and everything, these details I mean. So it is good for to save this file. I press file and then I press save or save as, no different, and I give it only a name like hospital. This is the building without decoration. Okay, so if I want to exit the editor, something that I have to tell you, don't use this close button, because then you will face a very big trouble. Somehow you cannot open your Gazebo again and you have to restart your computer to open it again. The best way to come out from this area is, yes, if you want to completely come out from Gazebo, you can press ctrl C in your terminal. But if you want to come out from the builder, you can press exit builder, and then yes, you can see now it is in my Gazebo and I can use it with no excuse. But if you want to add some decoration like what you have in the plan, I mean the hospital plan, you can come to edit again and model builder. Yes, in model builder there is some tools like these simple shapes, and then you can you have these tools to round it and adjust it in another place, and yes, as you can see, move it front and back. You can resize it very easy, and even you can give it a specific size, I mean. So but you have some more things like these ready-made tables or whatever there is in it is in Gazebo, but it is a little strange because you cannot change the size of them. Okay, one of the errors. And then the other things that the files are very heavy, and if you design it anytime that you want to use it, use the whole file, you will face a problem like that. your simulation is very heavy, you know. So but I prefer to use this simple box to design these bookshelves and tables and everything that you can see in my plot. So I paused the video. Yes, I paused the video, and I designed everything that I had here, step by step, sorry. And now you can see the beds and the shelves and everything. I create all of them with simple cubes. And now, yes, it is here, you can see it. As I told you, you can do whatever you want to do with these simple things by yes, you can see everything with 3D. Yes. So if you double click on each of them, if you work with ROS before, you know that whatever you want to create you add, you have to first mention about the link. Inside the link you have to mention about the density or the material that you are using. You should mention about the mass value in all the position. You have to mention about the position of your equipment that you put. You can change this value, and the cube that you create is change the position. So in visual, it means what you see or what is visible. You can give it a size as a geometry size, and also you can change the colors and some other things. Here I have this block as a counter. It is 60 centimeter by 1.5 meter and 70 whatever it was. And about the color, I create this nice pink with red and blue and a little green. If I change these values, you can see that the color will change. For example, with this, if I put it 0, it will be around a little more blue, okay, or yes, more pink. And if I omit this red, it will be something between blue and green. If I make it 0, it will completely blue. You can change it, you can do whatever you want. And the last thing is collision. In collision also I have this is what is in the real. So I mean, what is the software knows about your system, your block. I mean, you can have size, position, and whatever you want details to mention about it. So I cancel that because I didn't want to change it with that color. Also, with these simple tools, you can change the direction, you can change the size, you can change the position and these things. So I press Ctrl Z. Now to save this file again, I should come to File and Save my model. I will go to Browse to Save. I will go to Browse to save my file. So here I should give it a name. Hospital with decoration is good. Decoration. So I should only select the files there. Now I will paste the name here, and now it is ready to use. I can use it very easy. And also I add a ground plate here. The ground is important. If you don't have it, maybe your file will change a little. So I exit from the editor area, and now I am in Gazebo, and you can see the environment. Everything that I want is here. Also, you can download this final file from my weblog, and yes, that's it. If you want to use this file, you can use it by open it from the file, or claim it from the file, or you can also bring it from ROS codes that you know the ROS codes. And yes, that's it. If you like, please don't forget to like and subscribe.